Ronaldo. How old are you?
I'm
5 years old. How old are you? You're fine. How old are you?
11 years old.
Okay, and how are you today?
I'm happy.
That's good to hear. Okay, do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what program or which program do you usually watch?
I usually watch TV with Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. Okay, I usually watch Tom and Jerry. Okay, do you read books?
Yes.
How often do you read books?
I read books every day.
Okay, I read books every day. Now, which one do you prefer? Paper books or e-books?
I like books.
Okay, I prefer e-books. Now, what kind of school trips do you go on with your school?
My school goes to
Halong Bay. Okay, is it a good place? A nice place? Is it beautiful in there?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Now, do you come from a big family or a small family?
I'm from a small family.
Okay, how many people are there in your family?
Four people in my family.
Four. Okay, who are they?
Mom,
Your mom.
dad,
Mhm.
brother, and me.
And you. Okay, now, in this part, imagine you and your family are going to spend this weekend watching TV together. Okay, now I want you to choose the most suitable program, TV program for your family and display your choice. Now, we have here 4 different TV programs. So, which one will you choose?
I want them to be family. Football.
Football game. This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, why did you choose this instead of this one, or this one? Why do you prefer football?
Because
You say, I prefer football because. Do you love playing football?
yeah,
Okay, because I love to play.
I love to play football.
Okay, how about your brother? Does he love football?
Yeah.
How about your mom and your dad? Do they enjoy watching football? No, but yeah, it's your choice and your brother's choice always. Okay, so you're gonna choose this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Now, we're gonna talk about your ideal, also known as a perfect school for you. Okay? Now, tell me, where is your ideal school?
I leave school is called
My ideal school
my
is,
dear school is a city.
okay, is in the city. Now, how does it look like? What does it have? Does it have trees, classrooms,
School, family,
Mhm.
two.
and trees? Okay, and of course, students and teachers. Okay, do you want it to have playground? Okay, what kind of facilities do you want it to have? Football ground, football field. Mhm. So students can play football and basketball. Now, what time do the classes start and finish? At and finish at 4. Okay, how many rooms are there in your ideal school? There are 10 rooms. Okay, and what students have to do in your ideal school?
Finish homework.
Okay, finish homework. What else?
Enjoy
Enjoy.
school
Mhm.
and
And of course, study.
study.
Okay, and study. Okay, and what subjects do they study?
Subject math,
Math.
Vietnamese,
Okay.
English,
Mhm.
music, and art.
And arts. So that's all for your speaking test. You did a great job. Give it to my first place. Okay, goodbye.